Okay, thank you. Yeah.
First time driving at 18 speed. Drop my camera. Out of there. Me mira. Haciendo. Yeah, you finna kill us, dude. Hey. We got the people coming behind us. I knew it. Don't even wave, damn. Gotta move the truck. This dude taking up 4 lanes. Hey, I told you, dude.
You can't park?
Yeah, I knew they wanted us to stop. They was looking at us too much.
Probably safety reasons.
They're like, get out!
Yeah, like Kenny's not allowed.
Yeah, they're like, yeah, that Kenny is down the road. Where's the nearest Kenworth dealership? Is it over there? McCarty.
Well, at least they have truck parking.
Yeah.
Where's she going?
Tennessee whiskey.
Want to ride over there?
Sure. You want to ride over there, Dan?
Oh, yeah, I'll take it.
Oh, look at that big old moth thing. You seen it? All right, you missed it. Never mind. It's all good.
This one's closed. You gotta get on this side.
Okay. Nice. Get in the front, dude. What are you doing?
It's some stuff up here.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll scoot over. Man. VIP. Feel me? Freightliner service. Dang.
Thank y'all for not being mad.
Oh, no. Yeah, I should have listened. This is my first time here with the truck.
Oh, okay.
Zone 1, Channel 3.
They got a transformer truck over there. It's a cab over 2028. Ain't even came out yet. And it's fully functional. Well, it's, it's a model, but you can actually drive it. Not us, but it's drivable. Caterpillar engine in that mug. Nah, probably a Detroit 60 series in there. Dang, it's clean though. Stretch that boy out. Yeah, it's long, dude.
Drive it out of here?
That's a no.
Want to go somewhere like?
Yeah, let's go somewhere else. Hey, you are recording, you fruit.
I just
Dog me out, dude. Hey, it is long in both, in the front and the back. Dang. Yo. Nah, it took me a little bit longer. It took me like 8 weeks, I'll be honest.
You weren't coming full time?
No, I was every day. Yeah. And then I would go to work. I had work overnight doing security out there at College Station.
Oh yeah.
I remember I would come here with my meal preps. I would heat the mugs up. I had 2 of them. We heat the mugs
Here?
up. Yeah. I would come early just to heat them up and eat, and then go to the other class. 'Cause remember, my class, they wasn't trying to teach me nothing. The day class was they was learning a lot more than us, like at a faster rate. So I would come and I would sit behind everybody and I would sit there and eat, but I'd be like listening about how they go over the pre-trip and stuff.
Oh, that's what it was. You were the evening class, huh?
Yeah, the evening class, they screwed me. Oh yeah, we would park right here. Dude, I still got videos on my phone of whenever I was like coming, you know, my first day coming here, my second, third day, you know, second week. HCC.
How much did you pay?
I paid $4K. I sold my motorcycle.
I paid like 35, I think.
Yeah, I sold my motorcycle. This is where it all started, guys. ACC, the Northeast campus. Man, I had the night, I had the night class. They didn't teach me a damn thing, so I had to come into the day class just to get extra time with the truck, extra pre-trip hours, extra drive time. Because unfortunately, the night shift, they was not trying to teach me too much or anything. I don't really know why. They really kind of like stole my money, but not really. At the same time, you know, like I was telling my friend Daniel, I'm gonna slip just now. Like I was telling my friend Daniel, in my class, I was the only one that passed the first time. Everybody else had to take the test over because they just didn't teach us correctly. So with that being said, but I ain't gonna lie, I put in like extra time, dude. I was so scared to fail, because if you would have failed, they would have made you not only take the test again, but if you failed again like too many times, you have to pay for the whole class again for another $4,000. And yeah, it'd have sucked so bad. But yeah, it was. I remember they had me in this green truck, and that mug was horrible.
We trucking, man.
They had me in this green truck, and it was so old. Man, it was horrible, bro. But I freaking did it. We both did it, you know. Man, good time. And that was way back in what, 2021? Yeah, 2021. Man, look at us now. This guy then bought him his what, fourth truck. This is his fourth truck he's bought. I'm still working on my first one, but this guy got like 6 years of experience. I'm on my working on my 3rd year right now, so 3rd year of experience. I think he got his first truck in 3 years, 3 years in. So nah, this year is my year for sure. You know, God willing, this year is my year. We're gonna do the dang thing, you heard? Cause in the club, we all fam. In the club, we all fam. There's a big peony. Please. Oh yeah, that's loud. Yes, sir.
They're probably watching this on camera somewhere. What the heck is it?
I'm next to get a truck. You feel me? I'm gonna get a truck. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna show y'all. Of course, it's gonna be a whole movie. It's gonna be a whole vlog. Just wait on it. I would say, give me like 8 months. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm
Just go take it slow, because it doesn't have a lot of power.
It's on already.
Alright.
You took the thing off. See?
What do you call it?
So we do this. Here.
Imagine. That looks like an automatic shifter.
Hey, dude, what's it called? I should have brought my freaking boots.
This is 2. You want me to put you in there? Or
Put me in one.
Nah, 2's like 1 right now. What's your question? That's 2.
Sheesh. This ain't like the orange one, dude.
No.
I can already feel the power and I ain't even did nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me step back and make it scan though. With my CD.
Turn that bed light on the left.
Which one?
The bed light with the guy in the bed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too bright.
You got that kitchen light.
I know.
Nah, that's actually not bad. That's actually not bad.
Just for the video.
Dang, dude. I see what you're talking about. Your stacks are in the way. That's kind of annoying a little bit. How would you be able to fix that?
Nah, that's how you gotta run.
Wider windows? No? Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, so before I go, this 2, 3 is down? No.
Yeah, 3 straight down.
Okay, look, let's run through. Hold on. Okay, so that's boom 2, 3, That's 4.
and then 5 is straight down.
5?
Yeah, that's all you need to do right here.
And then, oh, you split up. Split
No,
up. That's 6.
this split, yeah, don't touch this one.
Okay.
That one, I didn't figure that one out.
6, 7, and then 8,
Yeah.
and then 9. Where's 10 at? You only been driving the 9th gear?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When you split gears, that's how you get up to 18. So you could drive it like a 9-speed.
Whoa. Yeah, because that's how it was whenever I was driving at 13. It was the same thing. And then he was saying, if you want a smoother ride quality, I guess, you would take it out of, so that's 9 gear, you take it out. Well, in the 13 speed, that's 8 gear right there. You take it out, and you would split that, it'd be red, not the gray, it'd be red, you split it, and then put it back in 8. And then you can feel the ride.
It's like, the splitter is like half. And then it's like 8 and a half.
That's crazy. So you don't, damn, so what is that right there?
That's low. But you can start in 2.
So that's must be 3 right there. Okay, 3. That's crazy how this is 2024 and you ain't got no type of gauge like letting you know what gear you're in.
It's because it's like a classic look.
Yeah.
Because they got the other one that's more modern.
Let's check this out. That's about that. Oh. It's coming by the little slowly. I'm only nervous because it's a clean corporate truck. I don't want to like tear it up. Oh yeah, that's not too bad.
It's easy. I feel like it's more.
Oh wait a minute, wait. Where am I going now?
Just put just clutch brake. I'm gonna have to reverse actually.
Because I ain't trying to
It's a
turn.
dead end though.
Yeah, that's it for the dead end. Is that
That looks too high.
yours on beep? It's not doing a beep, beep. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know why they put that stupid handlebar in here. This freaking motorcycle handlebar in their hand.
Oh yeah, so
Yeah, dude, I would say the only thing as far as the windows, you probably get maybe wider windows. I mean, wider mirrors.
maybe extend them out or something.
But so now I think about it, I never seen a trucker with like extended mirrors. They just kind of deal with it.
Once you have the trailer on though, that's when you can see the trailer. Because a lot of people are boss, so they have stacks on the way.
Damn, I don't know about that. That'd be something to get used to for sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Nah, I feel like it's almost easier than 10 speed. Because all the 4, it's just an H the whole time, not like 6, 7, and all that.
Yeah. And then a 13 speed, honestly, I feel like the 13 speed a little bit easier. Because you only got 3 gears. You go from 1 through 5, and then 6 through 8. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so I was able to get to 6 gear real easy.
Yeah.
Here's somebody.
I know somebody there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go right here.
Yeah, freaking dang.
It's been more than an hour.
She's like, hell no. I have too much fun. Here, all right, let me try one more time. Alright. There's 2 on board. 2 is so like ferocious. 6 gear on the board. Alright. Oh,
Stop. Weird stopping, huh?
How you got scared of it?
Nah, it's weird stopping. That's all I need to get it down.
Yeah, like I was telling you, you gotta pick. For me, I gotta pick my foot up and put it on the since that
On
pedal.
top, right?
Yeah, since that pedal is connected to the ground, so y'all don't know what we're talking about. But is it still going? Y'all don't know what we're talking about. But like on a normal pedal, for example, in the car, it's floating. So you know, you just keep your heel on the ground and you step on it. But these trucks, like something like this one, for an example, the pedal is all the way from the ground and it's coming like sticking up in the air. And so me and him are not used to that because the brakes are
The Freightliner and the Peterbilt. Is the Peterbilt like that?
no,
I don't even know.
no.
Oh, it's just Kenny then.
But that 13 speed when I drove the other day, it's like that. And I was like, damn, I'm
yeah.
used to this. And I was willing to, I was willing to get used to it. But it's weird. You gotta stomp it too.
Here, you can leave it right here. I'll reverse right here. Yeah, it ain't a dip.